Hello friends, in this episode we will show you how we perform the full service on an Opel Mokka X equipped with the 1.6 CDTI diesel engine. As usual, we will go through the entire service process, meaning we will replace the oil filter, air filter, cabin filter and also the fuel filter. Let's get to work. We go under the car, place a container under the oil pan and loosen the drain plug using a 15mm socket. The manufacturer recommends replacing it with a new one. For the oil filter change, you can remove the entire filter housing cap with a 24mm socket, or you can start by removing the small central plug first, which you will see later using a T45. If you remove the central plug first, you will make less of a mess, but it takes longer for all the oil to drain through the filter, and since we're in a hurry, we will remove the entire cap. Take out the filter from the cap and discard the old O-ring. Clean the cap using brake cleaner. Here is the central plug, and although we didn't use it for draining the oil, we will replace its O-ring because it can degrade over time. Normally, you should receive the two new O-rings along with the new oil filter. The new oil filter clips into the cap. Lubricate the cap's O-ring with a bit of oil before screwing it back in. Tighten the cap to a torque of 25 Nm. Clean up any spilled oil as much as possible. The oil sump plug should also be tightened to 25 Nm. The oil capacity for this engine is 5 liters, but it is recommended to check the level after running the engine for a few minutes. In our case, we had to add a bit more oil. For the air filter, you only need to remove two Phillips screws that secure the cover of the housing. If you find leaves or a lot of dust inside the air filter housing, it's a good idea to clean it before inserting the new filter. The cabin filter housing is as usual behind the glove compartment. You only need to remove this plastic arm and the glove compartment will drop completely. Press the two side clips of the cover and you will reach the cabin filter. Replace the old filter. As always, the arrows indicating the airflow direction should be facing downwards. The fuel filter housing is located near the left rear wheel of the car. To remove the cap, you will need a 36mm socket. Replace the cap's O-ring, clip in the new filter and reinstall the cap. The tightening torque is again 25 Nm. To prime the fuel system, we usually use a diagnostic tool, but if you don't have one, turn the ignition on and off multiple times before starting the engine. And that's about it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to reward our effort with a simple like, comment or subscription. It's completely free. See you next time.